In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So the simplest way would be find empty space where you don't have any icons, so like right here, and hold your finger on the display. And then you have the option Set Wallpaper. So once you tap on it, it will ask you where you want to change that wallpaper. Is it home screen, lock screen, or both? I'm just gonna set for the home screen. And then you can either choose your new wallpaper from the gallery, so if you have some kind of picture or downloaded image from the internet, you can use it, or you can set the wallpapers that are preloaded on the device. As you can see, if you tap on it, you have a bunch of options here. You can tap on them to change them. So this looks nice, and you just tap on Set Wallpaper, and as you can see, now the wallpaper is changed. So that is basically how you change the wallpaper. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.